Feel the quiet settling in after dinner, your body ready to wind down. You head to bed, hoping for restful sleep and that your body uses this time wisely for repair. But sometimes, despite your best efforts to stay active and eat well during the day, you wonder if your leg muscles are truly getting stronger, or if they're simply holding their own, or even losing ground, during the long hours you spend sleeping without any food. What if there was just one simple, familiar drink you could have after your evening meal that is scientifically shown to provide your leg muscles with the specific, sustained nourishment they need to actively rebuild and strengthen themselves throughout the entire night, fighting against age-related muscle loss while you rest? How can a specific beverage consumed before bed profoundly influence your leg muscle health, contribute to building strength, and enhance their recovery during those vital hours? If you knew exactly what this one powerful drink is, how it specifically supports aging leg muscles overnight by facilitating rebuilding, and how incorporating it into your nightly routine could enhance muscle repair, contribute to increased strength, and help you maintain physical capability as you age, would you make it a consistent part of your life? Let's explore this together. Did you realize that during the long hours of nighttime sleep, your body enters its longest fasting period of the day? And without specific, sustained nutritional support, your muscles, including those in your legs, can actually enter a state of net protein breakdown rather than building? It's not your imagination that consistent nourishment is crucial for maintaining physical strength. While you are asleep for 6 to 9 hours or more, your muscles aren't receiving a fresh supply of amino acids from food. During this time, your body needs amino acids readily available to fuel the critical processes of muscle recovery, repair, and protein synthesis that happen overnight. If this supply runs low, particularly after moderate to vigorous activity during the day, that creates microscopic muscle tears, your body may begin to catabolize, break down existing muscle tissue to obtain the necessary amino acids. This process, happening quietly overnight, contributes to age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia, and hinders your ability to effectively build and maintain muscle from your daytime efforts. This subtle challenge to your leg muscles' overnight rebuilding capacity, often ignored when focusing only on daytime nutrition or workout timing, is quietly contributing to that creeping weakness, slower bounce back after activity, and the feeling that your legs aren't as resilient as they used to be. Have you ever woken up feeling less recovered than you expected? Noticed a gradual decrease in leg strength or firmness? Or wondered if the hours you spend sleeping could be used to actively support your leg muscles? This isn't just random age-related change. It points to the metabolic state of your body and the nutritional needs of your muscles during that prolonged fasting window, and how effectively you're supporting them before it begins. Doctors and trainers emphasize daily protein and exercise, but the targeted strategy of pre-sleep fueling with a specific drink and its scientifically proven impact on enhancing overnight muscle rebuilding and strength in aging legs is not always highlighted. Yet, understanding and implementing this one specific drink after dinner holds a key to maximizing muscle support, fighting sarcopenia, and actively rebuilding leg strength while you sleep. The critical importance of providing sustained protein availability to muscles, particularly during prolonged fasting periods like nighttime sleep, to support muscle protein synthesis and prevent catabolism, and thus enhance muscle rebuilding, is now a significant area of research. Unlike muscles actively working during the day, muscles during sleep are primarily in a repair and rebuilding phase that extends throughout the night. Issues like insufficient amino acid availability during this time often function in the background, There are no blaring sirens signaling that your leg muscles have entered a state where breakdown is exceeding synthesis. This lack of consistent amino acid supply gradually undermines your body's ability to repair and build muscle effectively, contributing to age-related muscle loss and hindering strength gains. Until the cumulative effects become noticeable: slower recovery from activity, difficulty gaining or maintaining leg muscle mass, or that creeping feeling of weakness and reduced physical capability. A startling truth revealed by studies from leading research institutions focusing on aging, muscle metabolism, and nutrient timing. Consuming a specific type of protein that delivers amino acids steadily throughout that long overnight fast is scientifically proven to significantly increase muscle protein synthesis rates and improve net protein balance overnight, directly supporting the rebuilding of leg muscle. The worst thing isn't even that slower recovery occurs or muscle loss happens. It's that many seniors don't realize how powerful one simple, scientifically proven drink consumed after dinner can be in helping their leg muscles rebuild strength while they sleep. This process of less optimized overnight muscle rebuilding can subtly contribute to the age-related loss of leg muscle mass and hinder strength gains for many, often impacting their physical capability as they reach their 50s and beyond. This one click could make all the difference. If you or someone you care about is over 50, wants to enhance their leg strength, prevent overnight muscle loss, and maximize their body's natural muscle rebuilding processes while they sleep using a simple, scientifically proven drink, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell before we proceed with this life-altering information about the one drink to have after dinner to rebuild leg muscle while you sleep. Every week we offer important health insights like this one that could significantly raise your standard of living, physical capability, and ability to recover effectively from activity. Our upcoming video might be just what you or a loved one needs to hear to wake up feeling stronger and more capable in their legs. So don't miss it. Are you prepared to discover the powerful post-dinner drink for overnight leg muscle rebuilding? Get ready. And I want to know whether you're with me if you're watching this right now. If this video resonates with you, if you've felt poor leg recovery, creeping weakness, or wondered about optimizing your nutrition to support your leg muscles overnight, tell me. How much protein do you estimate you consume in your last meal of the day? Share the approximate grams in the comments below. The uplifting discovery: you can strategically support your leg muscle health and actively promote rebuilding throughout the entire 24-hour cycle, including those long hours of sleep, by providing specific nutritional support from a simple drink consumed shortly after dinner. There is immense hope for maximizing your body's natural repair and rebuilding processes overnight, significantly benefiting your leg muscles by providing targeted support. The notion that you just have to accept slower recovery or potential overnight muscle breakdown is being challenged by recent discoveries, highlighting how specific types of protein in certain drinks can provide a slow, steady release of building blocks, effectively fueling your muscles while you sleep. According to numerous studies, consistently consuming a slow-digesting protein source before bed is scientifically proven to significantly increase muscle protein synthesis rates and improve net protein balance overnight, directly supporting muscle rebuilding. Researchers have found that one specific drink category is particularly effective for this purpose because of its unique protein composition and accessibility, making it a powerful bedtime ally for your leg muscles. Researchers today understand that while the overnight period is crucial for muscle repair, the efficiency of that repair and the potential for rebuilding in aging Legs can be dramatically influenced by one easy to implement, scientifically proven drink consumed after dinner. What if you knew that? By consistently having just this one simple drink after your evening meal, you can provide your leg muscles with the crucial, sustained fuel they need to recover, repair, and actively rebuild strength throughout the entire night? When it comes to helping seniors rebuild leg muscle and prevent loss overnight, strategically choosing this one drink after dinner is a remarkably impactful strategy, complementing daytime nutrition and exercise. Now let's uncover the one specific drink, backed by science, that helps rebuild your leg muscles while you sleep. The one drink to have after dinner that rebuilds leg muscle while you sleep, scientifically supported for its benefits on providing sustained amino acid release overnight, is milk. Specifically, cow's milk is a powerful and accessible source of high-quality protein that is ideal for this purpose. Milk contains two primary types of protein: whey, around 20%, and casein, around 80%. While whey is a fast-digesting protein often used immediately after workouts for quick absorption, casein is a type of protein found abundantly in milk that forms a gel in the stomach. This causes it to be digested and absorbed very slowly, releasing amino acids into your bloodstream gradually over many hours, typically for 6 to 8 hours or even longer. This slow and steady supply of amino acids provides your leg muscles with the continuous building blocks they need to fuel repair, protein synthesis, and growth throughout the long overnight fast, directly preventing potential muscle breakdown, catabolism, and actively supporting muscle rebuilding. Studies have consistently demonstrated that consuming 30 to 40 grams of casein protein, which can be achieved with a sufficient amount of milk, about 30 to 60 minutes before sleep, leads to significantly increased overnight muscle protein synthesis rates and improved whole body protein balance compared to other protein types or consuming nothing. It acts like a slow drip of amino acids, specifically targeting your muscles while you're in a state of rest, optimizing the rebuilding process in your legs. While casein protein powder is a concentrated source, plain milk provides this beneficial protein in a simple, familiar, and often more palatable form, along with other valuable nutrients like calcium and vitamin D, if fortified, which also support bone and muscle health. How to drink it after dinner. Consume enough milk after your evening meal to provide approximately 30 to 40 grams of protein, about 30 to 60 minutes before you go to sleep. The exact amount of milk will vary depending on the protein content per serving, but generally, this might range from 2.5 to 3.5 cups of regular milk. Depending on the brand, always check the label for 10g plus protein per cup. Alternatively, a specifically formulated casein protein shake mixed with milk or water can also provide this amount of casein. Choose plain milk or shakes to avoid excess added sugar. Consistently drinking this amount nightly is key to providing the sustained amino acid supply your aging leg muscles need during their longest fasting period, directly supporting rebuilding your leg muscle recovery, potential for rebuilding, and ability to maintain strength while you sleep tomorrow are profoundly influenced by whether you provide your muscles with the right fuel during their primary repair window, sleep. Just accepting overnight catabolism or feeling poorly recovered isn't maximizing your potential to stay strong. Drinking milk or a casein protein shake after dinner is that single, powerful, scientifically proven thing to rebuild leg muscle while you sleep. Consistently implementing this post-dinner drink can significantly improve overnight muscle protein synthesis, reduce breakdown, and support your overall leg muscle health and strength, contributing to rebuilding, unlike just hoping for the best. Keep in mind that while this bedtime strategy is crucial, it works synergistically with adequate total daily protein intake, distributed throughout the day, and regular resistance exercise. Your leg health and strength will improve over time as you consistently apply this strategy. Don't wait for signs of weakness to set in. You can take action tonight to support your leg's strength for years to come. With these insights into the one drink to have after dinner that rebuilds leg muscle while you sleep, focusing on the slow-digesting casein protein found in milk or a casein protein shake, you can begin actively supporting your leg muscles' ability to rebuild and strengthen overnight right now. The startling reality is that incorporating this single, accessible, and effective drink into your nightly routine may dramatically improve your leg muscle recovery, help prevent age-related muscle loss, actively support rebuilding, and support your overall strength and physical capability for decades to come. Far more than relying on chance or accepting decline. You literally hold the power, through choosing this specific drink, to optimize your leg muscle health and quality of life by rebuilding while you sleep. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell immediately if you thought this information was helpful and provided clear, actionable guidance on fueling your leg muscles for rebuilding overnight. We are always looking at the newest developments in nutrition, exercise science, longevity, and vibrant aging. 3 easy morning routines that can prolong your life are revealed in our upcoming video. You should not miss it. Show this video to a loved one who may be experiencing leg muscle weakness, losing strength, or looking for simple ways to enhance their physical fitness. Especially by supporting overnight rebuilding, their life might be changed by your simple act of sharing this powerful information about bedtime muscle fuel. After learning about this drink, how much milk or casein shake will you aim to consume tonight after dinner to help rebuild your leg muscle while you sleep? Share your goal quantity in the comments below.